Here I've got Cubot Max 2, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it's Google Chrome. Then click on the More icon, which is 3 dots in the right upper corner, and then select History. And now you can either delete some pages just by clicking on the cross icon right in front of them, but you can also perform a whole clearing, so just click on Clear Browsing Data. And now you can pick basic and advanced options. So in basic you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and then in advanced you will have some additional settings like saved passwords, out of informed data, and site settings. So if you want to delete them as well, simply select it. And finally pick the time range, so you can delete data from last hour, from last 24 hours, from last week, last 4 weeks, or from the beginning of time, and I will pick the last option. So I would like to fully delete browsing history and browsing data in my device with saved passwords and out of info data included. So once you set it up, click on Clear Data, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, there is no history here, no passwords, no other data. Now you can set it up from the beginning. And that's basically all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.